have today in front of me Realme 9 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So let's first go into the settings application, and after that tap here to the personalization section. Here you'll see the always on display. Tap here once and now just click on the switcher to activate the IOD. Here we can switch the display options. Now we have selected the power saving mode. We can switch it to the schedule, so we can set a start and at the end time, or also we can switch it to the all day. Then just click here to the settings, and here we can also just use the notifications, battery status, date and time, so we can turn off these options if you want. And now when we lock the device, we can see that we just successfully activated the always on display feature on our Realme device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.